CSIR NAL is developing Saras MKII, which is a light transport aircraft with a pressurized cabin. The aircraft has a range of 550 kilometers at a flight level of 250 kilometers with maximum payload and has an endurance of 6 hours. Saras MKII is being developed to provide regional connectivity between Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities and also for troop transport for armed forces. It can operate from hot and high altitudes and has a capability of landing on semi-prepared runways. Saras MKII is a 2-member crew cockpit. It has a complete glass cockpit with 4 smart AM LCD displays. The cockpit is designed to be FAR-23 compliant with dual redundant avionics architecture. The aircraft primarily has a mechanical primary flight control system. However, a limited authority autopilot is also provided to reduce pilot workload. Autopilot's flight director functionality shall provide landing guidance up to Cat 2 precision approach phase. Engine operation is controlled with a 2-lever throttle for reducing pilot workload. The aircraft also has a stall warning and protectional functionality to provide tactile, oral and visual annunciations when the aircraft proceeds towards the stall condition. Saras MKII has a single aisle cabin with 20-inch aisle width, with wide seats and is pitched at 28-inch. Adequate passenger comfort has been ensured through appropriate contouring of the passenger seat. A wall-mounted jump seat is provided to the cabin attendant at the aft of the cockpit partition wall. A self-contained 32-inch wide lavatory is provided for passenger comfort. The aircraft has a separate baggage compartment at the rear with 2-meter cube luggage volume close to the cargo door. Performance and capability. Saras MKII is a twin-engine aircraft in tractor configuration. It is powered by 2 Pratt Whitney turboprop engine with 1200 shp each. It is the only pressurized commuter aircraft in 19-seater category. This aircraft is designed to operate from semi-prepared runways and in environmental conditions varying from -40 degrees to 55 degrees Celsius. The aircraft requires a minimum takeoff field length of 1,185 meters at sea level, with maximum takeoff weight. Retractable tricycle landing gear is designed to have less drag in cruise condition and flat horizontal flow for passenger comfort. Saras MKII has a maximum rate of climb of 2,000 feet per minute. It can reach to a height of 20,000 feet within 12 minutes. Aircraft's maximum cruise speed is 500 km per hour at a horizontal altitude of 20,000 feet. The aircraft is capable of clearing minimum off-road altitude requirements of 21,000 feet with one engine in operative condition for Leh sector. Detailed analysis is carried out for minimum off-route altitude conditions for critical terrain on routes such as Chandigarh-Leh sector. Failure cases such as depressurization and one engine in operative condition are considered for performance evaluations. Hydraulic system of Saras MKII is used to operate landing gear retraction and extension. Nose wheel steering and brake system with digital anti-skid mechanism. Saras MKII needs a minimum ground run distance of 410 meters at sea level altitude with maximum landing weight. The aircraft is designed to operate in high altitude airfields, having above mean sea level altitudes of greater than 10,000 feet. In India, Saras MKII is capable of operating in high elevation critical airfields such as Kargil, Leh, Kullu, Shimla, Chandigarh and Pakyong airfields for minimum en route altitude.